Hey, I just wanted to go through and do like one problem for each section for Algebra 1, 10-6. Go over trigonomic ratios. So this is the first one that I was going to go over. And it just says, for number 1, that's what I'm going to do. Find the values of the three trigonometric ratios for angle A. So first of all, I just need to remember that is angle A, that's what I'm going for. And secondly, I need to remember what the different trigonomic ratios are. So you got sine, and you got cosine. I think it's a G in there. I don't know how to spell it. Why am I even spelling it out? Just put cos. Oops. And tangent. And this is SOHCAHTOA. So this is going to be that took forever. Okay, so this is going to be, you have SOHCAHTOA, so this is opposite over hypotenuse, and then adjacent over hypotenuse, and then opposite over adjacent. So this first one is going to be opposite, which is 24, over hypotenuse, which is 25. And then this one, cosine, is adjacent over hypotenuse. Well, adjacent for A is 7, and hypotenuse is 25 again. And then this one's opposite over adjacent. Well, opposite is 24, adjacent is 7. So that is how you do one. Pretty simple. Doesn't take a whole lot of, doesn't take any math actually. You just need to know where things are and what you need, where you need to put them. So now I'm going to go through another one. I gotta bring it up. This one I can't actually do, but I figured that I would tell you how you would do this one. So this one, it just has the sine, cosine, or tangent of an angle, and then you're supposed to find out with a calculator what the values are. So I have a calculator here, just the pink ones that I use in the classroom, and if you go and you look on your calculator, hopefully you got one that's similar to this one. It has sine, cosine, and tangent right in the middle above the parentheses, and all you're going to do is hit one of those buttons. So for the first, I'm going to hit sine 37, type in 37, and hit equals, and then I'm going to round that to the nearest 10,000th. So 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, so 4 places. So it's going to be 0.6018. That's going to be the answer to the first one. I'm not going to go through all of them because those ones, once you know how to put it in the calculator, you should be able to do that pretty easily. So I'm going to go ahead and move on to the next group of problems. Got to bring them up too. And here they are. Okay, so we're solving this right triangle. So the first thing that I would want to do right away, just because we can do it, is find out what this third angle is. So we've got 39 and 90. So you got 129 degrees between the two of them. Then you got to take 180 minus that. And then you get 51. So angle X equals 51. That's the first thing. Get out of the way. Next thing I'm going to do is to do the sides. So I'm just going to write those down. Doesn't matter what order you write them in, as long as you have the two letters in there. Like I said, I didn't have to do ZX. We already got that one. Okay, so we're going to use angle 39 because that's the first that gave that to us. And if we want to find out what yx is, then we have to have something that is opposite, because yx is opposite of 39. So out of the SOHCAHTOAs, you've got sine that has opposite over hypotenuse, cosine has adjacent over hypotenuse, and tangent has opposite over adjacent. So this is the hypotenuse for 7. So I'm going to use just sine since that's right there. So sine of 39 equals, and then x over 7. We got to solve for that. So we times 7 by both sides, and we're left with 7 times the sine of 39 equals x. And x is yx, or xy. So 7 times the sine of 39. And it says to the nearest tenth. So x equals 4.405, so 4.4. Alright, so we've got xy, we still need yz. Well, that's adjacent to 39, so I can use either cosine or tangent, and I'm just going to use hypotenuse because that one was given to us. It's always good to use the given numbers when you can. So that means I'm going to be using cosine. Cosine of 39 equals, and then you've got x over 7. So it's just going to be times 7 on each side, and you're left with 7 times cosine of 39 equals x. And that is going to be 5.44 to the nearest tenth is 5.4. And that's how you do these. You just got to do that for each one of these. And that is about it. If you have any questions, go ahead and let me know, or let Miss Pillar know.
Hello. Oh, hello.
Hey, Barry. How are you?
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay.